store on this
Williamson
one?
County in Middle Tennessee. Southwestern Sumner County in Middle Tennessee. Northwestern Wilson County in Middle Tennessee. Until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time.
It's been a while.
At 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Jolton to Fairview, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Ooh, sounds pretty strong.
Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Franklin, Gallatin, Nashville, Madison, Hendersonville, Brentwood, La Vernie,
There it is, just came in.
Goodlettsville, Nolansville, Forest Hills, Oak Hill, Belle Meade, Lakewood, Thompson Station, Hermitage, Jolton, Bellevue, Old Hickory, and Antioch. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.